Hello, my name is Barb Bluedorn. We have a 15-year history with Alair Homes, and particularly Alair Homes Sanibel. This is the third home that we've done with him. It's the first new construction, and we have done multiple renovations. They're family at this point in time. After the Hurricane Ian happened, we had an opportunity to buy this land. There was a historical home on the property that got damaged. The owners offered to sell it to us, and we said sure because we didn't want someone else to buy it. We didn't know what we were going to do with it. We figured, well, we would build a house, and of course we reached out to Alair Homes. The initial concept for the house was to be a community house, a guest house, a studio space. We have a lot of artistic folks in our family, for people to congregate and just have community together. So it was designed to be a square home with sort of the central elevator so that you could run laps around the house and not have those choke points that you have, for instance, in our house, which is a rectangular linear construction. This home would allow a better ease of flow for group events. I think what made it unique from a design standpoint is I had the opportunity to be able to design it. So I worked with a local architect who lives on Sanibel Island and had a vision for what I would like to see happen with the style and the usage of it. And again, in these design meetings, Alair Homes, they were with me every step of the way. And Mark, at the time, was the project manager and has continued on with Alair and now as a partner. But he was right there offering input and support, and it was just a phenomenal experience. What surprised me the most is it is so much easier for a new build than it is to retrofit and renovate. And it was the streamlining of the process and just how smoothly it went. I would consider no one else if we were doing renovation or new construction. So the communication is there. The process is very transparent. No decisions are made without my input and authorization. It's a cost-plus system, so there are no surprises when it comes to the finances or the budget getting out of control. I'm as responsible for that as they are if it gets out of control, because again, all decisions are run by me, which is great, and it's a very collaborative effort. When you are in partnership with people that you trust wholeheartedly, who you know deliver top quality products and services, I think you place that trust. You know they have your back, you have their back, and it does become this real collaboration of working together, that it's not a he said, she said. It's seamless. We all want the same end result. We want a beautiful home that's going to be resilient and withstand hurricanes, but also be beautiful and top quality.
What, if anything, would you tell someone considering this type of build?
I would say call Alair Homes.